Hello guys and welcome back to iSparkle Detailing. So we are out of the unit today, finally mobile, and what a great day to be mobile. So we've got in our regular maintenance washer over here, the Audi Q8. It's an Audi and that's it for the maintenance wash. Here's our 2 weekly maintenance wash. This is car done every 2 weeks. And yeah, let me show you the process, man. So we've got that going on. And then we've also got a trainee with us today. He's learning how to do the mobile side of things. And then we're going to go over a lot of other things about ceramic coating, paint correction. So if you guys are interested in that, let us know. We have had a few students that have done it in the past. It's going really well. They're really benefiting from it. So let's go see how they're doing. Right over here. So you can see the snow foam on there. And then you can see Amir over there just teaching one of our students how we actually decontaminate the alloys, what chemicals we use, snow foam product, everything from basic, from bottom down of how to use it, what type of water we're using, and everything. Learning with us. It's from training, learn the basics and the foundation and about the ceramic coatings and all of that stuff. Very important, in diligence when it comes to that training and everything. So thankfully we've done a few students now. They've gone on to do other things. So if you guys are interested, just let us know.
Yeah, I just pulled this. I'm taking a can for a walk today.
Sell my car.
Yeah, why you not showing off your haircut yet? You need to show your haircut to him.
Nah.
You need to show him, bro. We'll get your wife in one day if you show it, bro.
My hairs are messy inside your phone, but that's it.
Next time, stay tuned for Amir's haircut.
Hi guys, so welcome back. We've just finished up with our client previously, the Audi Ali. It was done. So we were at the unit, but we have been called over for an emergency package at the moment. Car's been up, car's getting sold tomorrow. So the client wanted to give it a nice polish and some ceramic coating. So we have done the full decontamination wash on this, the mechanical decon, the chemical decon, all the clay bar process, all of that has been done. Car's full of scratches. It's a black car. It's a black CLA. It's got a lot of scratches on there. And now we're in the process of doing some paint correction. So if you want to come and have a look at the paint correction that we've got going on at the moment, we are just in the process of doing a stage 1 paint correction on here. You can see the gloss levels that we have achieved from the stage 1. There are a few deeper defects on here, but it's not, compulsive. As the customer said to get it removed, we're just going to enhance the paint work, make it look brand new again, and apply a ceramic coating on here as well for the customer. This section over here you can see is complete, so the reflection on there. And we're also getting some training in for our trainees on how to use the DAs and everything. And we'll move on to something a bit more advanced, and keep it tuned.